Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
When his disciple becomes perfect in spiritual advancement, the spiritual master feels very, very happy. That I am nonsense, but this boy, he has followed my instruction and he has achieved the success. That is my success. This is the spiritual master ambition. Just like a father, this is the relationship. Nobody wants to see anybody more advanced than himself. That is the nature. Matsarata. If anybody becomes advanced in any subject matter, then I become envious upon him. But the spiritual master or the father, he does not become envious. He feels himself very, very happy that this boy has advanced more than me. This is spiritual master position. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu expresses that when I chant and dance and cry in ecstasy, my spiritual master thanks me in this way, bhalo hoiba. It's very, very good. Paile tumi param purushartha. Now you have achieved the highest success in life. Tomar premete, because you have advanced so much, ami hoilam kita, I am feeling so much of life. This is the position. Then he encourages, nacho gao bhakta sange karo sankirtan. Now go on. You have achieved so much success. Now again you go. Nacho, you dance. Gao, you sing and chant. Bhakta sange, in the society of devotees. Not to make a profession, but bhakta sange. This is the real platform of achieving success in spiritual life. Narottam Das Thakur also says that Tadero charana sevi bhakta sange vas janame janame mor ei obhilash. Narottam Das Thakur says that birth after that, because a devotee, he does not aspire after going back to home, back to Godhead. No. Any place, it doesn't matter. He wants to simply glorify the Supreme Lord. That is it. It is not the business of the bhakta that he is chanting and dancing and executing devotional service for going to Vaikuntha or Goloka Vrindavan. That is Krishna's desire. If he likes, he will take. That Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, Ichha যদি তোর জনমায় অবি যদি মরে ইচ্ছা যদি তোর ভক্ত গৃহেতে জন্ম হৌক মোর. A devotee only prays that he does not request Krishna that please take me back to Vaikuntha Goloka Vrindavan. No. If you think that I must take birth again, that's all right. But only my request is that give me birth in the house of a devotee, so that I may not forget. This is the only prayer of the devotee.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,